Exhibitors, product launches, and presentations highlight drones' expanding role in mapping, monitoring, and emergency response. The world's largest geospatial event, INTERGEO 2025, returns to Frankfurt from October 7-9, 2025. This year, drones and unmanned systems are in the spotlight across the exhibition floor and conference stages. From new product launches to in-depth technical presentations, the Unmanned Systems format at INTERGEO underscores how UAVs have become essential tools for surveying, inspection, environmental monitoring, and disaster response. Unmanned Systems take the stage. October 7th. On Tuesday, October 7th, 2025, INTERGEO will host the Unmanned Systems format from 11:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. as part of its conference and main stage. The program will showcase the latest UAV applications and technologies. Please note that talks on the main stage are in English, making them accessible to international attendees. The dedicated lineup can be found here. INTERGEO Unmanned Systems Program. Key sessions to watch. In addition to the main stage, drone-related sessions will take place in the application dome, offering a closer look at how UAVs are transforming industries. Drones, disasters and data. How automation is transforming environmental response on the U.S. East Coast. Tuesday, October 7th, 1:50 to 10 p.m. Speaker, Dylan Gorman, founder, Pilot Byte. When data is easy, everyone wins. Reinventing the airborne data supply chain. Wednesday, October 8th, 2:10 to 30 p.m. Speaker, Andrew House, VP Business Development, SparkGeo. Introducing Vision RTK Pro. How Vision and AI redefine the power of RTK. Wednesday, October 8th, 3:54 10 p.m. Speaker, Zhenhong Su, CEO and co-founder, Fixed Position. Exhibitors to explore. The exhibition floor at INTERGEO 2025 will feature a wide range of drone and geospatial technology providers. Notable exhibitors include Applitop, Hall 12.1, Booth 1E071, known for survey software that integrates seamlessly with UAV data workflows. Hotel Robotics Co., Limited, Hall 12.0, Booth 0C098, demonstrating versatile UAV platforms widely used in inspection and mapping. Blue Marble Geographics, Hall 12.0, Booth 0F118, highlighting advanced GIS and geospatial processing solutions. CHC Navigation, Hall 12.0, Booth 0C081, featuring the X500 professional drone built for precision mapping. DJI GmbH, Hall 12.0, Booth 0G010, presenting new tools for commercial operators in inspection and surveying. Drone Deploy, Hall 12.1, Booth 1E045, showcasing its cloud-based drone mapping and data analytics platform. Maritime Robotics, Hall 12.0, Booth 0C110, specializing in unmanned platforms for maritime and coastal monitoring. Most Robotics GmbH, Hall 12.0, Booth 0E001, delivering autonomous UAV solutions for industrial applications. Orthodrone GmbH, Hall 12.0, Booth 0F0, offering aerial imaging services with a focus on environmental applications. Quantum Systems GmbH, Hall 12.0, Booth 0C068, known for advanced fixed-wing UAVs designed for endurance mapping. Seafloor Systems, Inc., Hall 12.0, Booth 0H085, showcasing integrated solutions for bathymetric and geospatial surveys. Septentrio, part of Hexagon, Hall 12.1, Booth 1C114, highlighting high-precision GNSS receivers for UAV operations. SimActive, Hall 12.0, Booth 0E018, presenting its industry-leading photogrammetry software for drone imagery. Wingtra AG, Hall 12.0, Booth 0E123, displaying its well-known VTOL mapping drone, optimized for accuracy and efficiency. Yellow Scan, Hall 12.0, Booth 0E001, featuring LiDAR solutions, with Initech drone showcasing VTOL compatibility. Why INTERGEO matters. With drones playing a growing role in everything from climate resilience to infrastructure management, INTERGEO 2025 demonstrates how unmanned systems are no longer peripheral. They are central to geospatial work. For attendees, the show offers an opportunity to see the latest platforms, connect with global innovators, and hear directly from experts shaping the future of drone operations.